Hello, my lovely, wonderful, stunning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tori Forbeading. Compliments of the season to you all. I wish you a prosperous new year. Welcome. Your first time of coming to my channel, you are most welcome. Do not forget to click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Share our video, like our video. To my returning subscriber, you guys are always the best. Thank you for all you do to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to support to me. Thank you. Baby girls, very grateful. You see, today we are going to be doing couples lovely outfit. Oh, look at this one, it's so very funny. The couple are looking so beautiful. You want to rock this. All credit go to the original owner of this lovely couple's style. More power to your eye, but you guys are doing a great job. So this couple are looking so beautiful. The staff are very outstanding. They are amazing. They are top notch. They speak volume. You want to go to that owambe, you want to go to that party as a couple, you want to rock the same Ankara style, you are good to go. You are in the right place. See, this one too is very looking so beautiful. Please, guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel at this moment, please do me well and turn on the notification. Smash the red button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you guys to watch the end of the video. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
All of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
But inside my palms, play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the